Have you ever tried to access Coinbase in Nigeria and found yourself staring at an error message? You're not alone. Thousands of Nigerians are facing the same frustrating issue. Today, we're diving deep into why Coinbase isn't working in Nigeria and what you can do about it. Let's start with the big question. Why would a major cryptocurrency platform like Coinbase be blocked in a country with a growing tech-savvy population? It's a puzzle, right? Well, the answer lies in a complex interplay of economics, regulation, and technology. Nigeria has a burgeoning crypto market. It's one of the top countries globally in terms of cryptocurrency adoption. People are turning to crypto as a hedge against inflation, a way to send money home, and to participate in the digital economy. But this rapid growth has also caught the attention of regulators. The Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, has been increasingly concerned about the impact of cryptocurrencies on the naira, the country's currency. They argue that cryptocurrencies can be used for illicit activities and that their unregulated nature poses a risk to financial stability. As a result, the CBN has taken steps to restrict access to cryptocurrency platforms, including Coinbase. But here's the thing, banning something doesn't always make it go away. In fact, it can often drive it underground. While Coinbase might be blocked, Nigerians are still finding ways to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. This underground market comes with its own set of risks, including scams and security threats. So, what can you do? Well, the first step is to stay informed. Keep an eye on news and updates about crypto regulations in Nigeria. There's a chance that things might change in the future. Second, consider using alternative cryptocurrency platforms that are still accessible in Nigeria. However, exercise caution and do your research before signing up for any platform. Third, and perhaps most importantly, advocate for a sensible regulatory framework. The government needs to understand the potential benefits of cryptocurrencies while also addressing the risks. By engaging in constructive dialogue, we can create a crypto ecosystem that works for everyone. Now, this isn't financial advice. We're just providing information. Cryptocurrencies are volatile, and you could lose money. Always do your own research and consider consulting a financial advisor. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.